Still working on my granddaughter clock. A granddaughter clock is anywhere from between 3 to 5 feet in length. And then you have your grandmother clocks, then a grandfather clock is at least 6 feet and 3 inches in length. Anyway, I need to work on the case. I'm going to apply some new Life Furniture Masque, and it's going to be a quick video because I'm just going to show you the before and after. Here's the after video of this clock after I applied the new Life Furniture Masque. It did a pretty good job. These clocks were made around 1930. They started making them in 1930, and I think they only made them just for a few years. However, there are granddaughter clocks made by Wuba and other companies, but they started making granddaughter clocks in, I believe, the 1930s, from the research that I did on them. My hearing aids are messed up. I have a beat amplifier on order, so whenever I get the beat amplifier in, so I can listen for the even beat, I'll be able to put the movement in. And so until then, we are stuck. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Again, please hit the subscribe button, and God bless.